Hi there, folks. Caleb Odie from Everett Community College here with some updates and resources.
This fall, you'll see more programs, services, and activities available in person and on campus, but others will continue in remote form and gradually return in the future. We want to bring students, faculty, and staff back to campus as much as possible while safeguarding against COVID-19 and its variants. To do this, we are requiring students, faculty, and staff who are working or learning in person on campus to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 starting September 20th, 2021, the start of fall quarter. Exemptions will be allowed for medical conditions and sincerely held religious beliefs. Based on the state requirements, these are the only available exemptions to the vaccination requirement. Here at Everett Community College, we've decided to continue a campus-wide mask mandate inside all Everett Community College buildings for everyone who learns or works on campus, regardless of whether they are vaccinated. For the most up-to-date information regarding returning to campus, please visit Everett Community College's website at everettcc.edu/return. Now on to updates regarding the enrollment process. To help us keep track, I'm going to break this down according to our Get Started checklist, which can be found at everettcc.edu/getstarted.
The first 4 steps, which include exploring our educational pathways, applying for admissions online, finding ways to pay for college, and completing orientation, remain the same. You'll still be able to complete these steps online as you have in the past. For placement, most students need math and English placement before registering for classes. Proper placement ensures you are in the right classes to be successful. In order to receive placement, a student would either submit a placement form online with test scores or transcripts, or take the AccuPlacer assessment. To review the alternative placement options before taking the AccuPlacer, please visit everettcc.edu/placement. We are offering both application workshops and orientation and placement workshops for students who would like direct assistance from an Everett Community College team member. You can find the registration links for these workshops along with the most up-to-date list of tours and information sessions at everettcc.edu/visit. Now on to entry advising and pathway selection. Whether you know what you want to pursue or need a little assistance, the advising team is working diligently to help students prepare for their time at Everett Community College. While we look forward to resuming in-person advising in the future, entry advising is being offered via virtual office hours on Zoom. This is drop-in advising, no appointment is necessary. You'll need to have completed the other steps before meeting with an advisor. But after that, you can find the hours and link for the virtual office at everettcc.edu/advising. After that, it's just a matter of registering for classes and paying your tuition and fees. This too can be completed online. For a list of student support services and resources available at Everett Community College, please visit everettcc.edu/students. For the online means of reaching these offices, please go to /students/online. If you are an Everett Community College student with expenses related to COVID-19, you may qualify for emergency funding. The application for fall quarter will be available September 1st. You must be enrolled for fall quarter to apply. You can find more information at everettcc.edu/cares. If a student that is currently registered requires a Chromebook or wireless hotspot to be successful in their classes, we are loaning these out for free to students. You can submit a request through your MyEvCC portal. To find the latest dates and deadlines, you'll want to head over to everettcc.edu/deadlines. Now we know you may have additional questions or be on the hunt for additional information or resources. If that's the case, we would love to hear from you. You can email outreach@everettcc.edu, call us at 425-388-9040, or text us and several other departments at the college at 425-382-7533.
We hope this information has been useful to you. On behalf of Everett Community College, thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!